to all. We all know about English is a global language. So, what makes a great conversation? It's about being present, engaging with curiosity, respecting different viewpoints, and having fun with the exchange. We all know English is widely used in education, business, and communication. But is English truly necessary for global success? Or can people achieve greatness without it? Let's find out from our speakers. Hannah, you look good today. And Rusla, you also look nice. They both are my closest friends. We have had many talks and many chats. But I don't know what they're going to talk about today. I'm also as clueless as you guys. Let's wait and see what they're going to do. So, let's start. Hannah, please share your thoughts.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, English is a global language of business, science, technology, and diplomacy. It is spoken by over 1.5 billion people worldwide and dominating international platforms such as United Nations and multinational corporations. Furthermore, over 60% of internet contents are in English. Mastering English opens doors for education, employment, and innovation. It is not merely a skill, it is necessity for today's interconnected world. I firmly believe that English education is essential for global success.
Wow, strong points. Now, Risla, what's your take?
Thank you. Well, English is undoubtedly influential. We must ask at what cost. Prioritizing English education often undermines native language and cultures. This erodes linguistic diversity and marginalizes those without access to quality English instruction. Success should not depend on one language, but rather on embracing multilingualism and inclusivity. Furthermore, the dominance of English perpetuates global inequalities, favoring countries with colonial taste to English. We believe success can be achieved without making English education the centerpiece.
Okay, they both got very good points. Now, let's challenge each other's views. Hannah, you can start.
Okay. So, Risla, you have said good points on your side, but while linguistic diversity is important, it does not have free place in native languages. It can complement them, right? And English acts as a bridge language, facilitating international communication and collaboration. It empowers individuals from developing nations and enabling them to compete globally. Instead of perpetuating inequality, English education provides a pathway for opportunities.
The reality is different. In many countries, the push for English education overshadows native language, making them seem inferior. This hierarchy not only erodes cultural identities, but also alienates communities who cannot afford quality English instruction. Multilingual education, which values all language equally, is a better, more inclusive solution.
They both have different viewpoints, don't you guys think? Now, let's wrap up. Hannah, please share your final thoughts.
Thank you. English education is undeniably a key for success. It provides access to knowledge and creates opportunities in English education and employment. While linguistic diversity is valuable, the practical benefits of English in a globalized world cannot be ignored. It is a tool for empowerment, not for dominance. English opens doors for opportunities, making it for global success.
Now, Risla, please share your closing thoughts.
Thank you. Well, English is useful. It's not the only pathway to success. We must reject the idea of linguistic superiority and instead promote multilingualism, preserving cultural identities and reducing inequality. Success in a globalized world requires inclusivity, not reliance on a single language.
Now, that was a fantastic discussion. What are your points? They both have great insights. Now, what do you guys think? Is English truly necessary for success? Let's give both of our speakers a big round of applause. Thank you guys, and thank you guys too for being part of this conversation.